Good morning, all. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss session 4 of Unit 1. There are total 4 sessions in Unit 1. Till the time we have completed 3 sessions. Today I will start session 4 of Unit 1, which is the last session of this unit. The name of session 4 is Packaging and Labeling. Topic name is Introduction of Packaging. Let's understand. Packaging can be defined as an art, science, and technology of preparing goods for transport and sale. What is packaging? Packaging can be an art, science, technology for preparing goods for transport and sale. This packaging means a cover on a product. Packaging as an industry has two sectors. First sector, which who prepares material, packaging material, and other who convert these materials into packages. So a good packaging conveys the quality of the product. Good packaging means if package is there in a product, then it will convey that the product is of good quality. Next, attractive packaging is also an efficient POP. Here POP stands for point of purchase, means everyone can purchase that product which is attractively packaged. And also it is the publicity for sales. Packaging is an important advertising method. What is packaging? Packaging is an advertising method which helps in carrying message from marketer to customer and consumer. Customer and consumer can be same or different. As you know, every consumer is a customer, but every customer may or may not be a consumer. Next, packaging concept. Marketers define package as the fifth P of marketing. Yes, it is important to note down. Packaging is now considered as fifth P. As we know, there are 4 P's in marketing mix: product, price, place, promotion. Next, fifth P, we can say nowadays marketers define fifth P as packaging. It provides enhanced or improved value to product. Next topic, levels of material for packaging. There are 3 levels of packaging: primary, secondary, tertiary, transportation. Levels of packaging, there are 3 levels: primary, secondary, transportation. Now here is the definition. Primary packaging. Packaging may be primary, which refers to products immediate container. Yes, it is important to note down. Primary packaging means immediate container of products, such as PET bottle, means very small bottle of any soft drink or cold drink or water bottle. PET bottle, tetra is combination of 3 things: tetra pack, can or a box. Okay, immediate container means just product के ऊपर जो container है, that's called primary packaging. Secondary packaging, it refers to additional layer of protection. Remember it, secondary means additional layer of protection that are removed, जिसको हटा देते हैं हम, ज़रूरत नहीं है. Once the product is ready, for example हमने देखा है कोलगेट की ट्यूब आती है, that's primary, और उसका जो रैपर होता है कोलगेट के ट्यूब के जस्ट ऊपर जो पैकेट होता है वो हटा देता है. So here is also one other example, such as tube of shaving cream. तो tube of shaving cream is a product, tube is primary packing. वो रहती है which is covered, उसके पास को covered करा रहता है in a card box, or glass bottle covered in cardboard box. Okay, so here shaving cream is a product, tube is primary packing, and cardboard is secondary packing. Similarly, chocolate, we can take the example of Cadbury chocolate or Dairy Milk. So chocolate is product, silver packing just above the product or chocolate is called primary packaging, and outer cover like red cover on Kit Kat, purple cover on Dairy Milk, so that's called secondary packaging. Okay. Third, transportation packaging means the kind of packaging when we do at the time whenever we are sending or transporting goods from one place to another. Same is written over here. It is third level packaging. It is the outer container. Okay, it is always outer side. It is the outer container of product when we transport product from one place Correct it. One place to another. Transport packaging is done. Correct it. Is done. Such as A4 sheet packaging for mobile phones. Okay, means जब हम टोटल बंच को पैक करते हैं, total bunch is packed for transporting, it's called transportation packaging. So this is the topic for today. Introduction of packaging, packaging concept, meaning, and also levels of packaging. Next I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Okay, thank you for listening me.